Imagine buying one fence for your lifetime that continues to look like it's brand new. The longevity of Trex compared to any other fence system is just uncomparable. But I gotta say, the reason that most people buy it is because of its beauty.
Trex can withstand many environments. The composition of the material has been long lasting, tested by many folks. We've used it on projects for the last dozen years.
Because a lot of people, they love wood. What they don't like about wood is that it doesn't last. Trex Fencing is warranted for 25 years. Homeowners really like the fact that Trex Fencing can touch the ground without any issues of rotting or deteriorating. Wind test up to 140 miles per hour.
The engineering part of it, it's something that you don't really find with any other product.
We have it engineered between 2 feet tall to 12 feet tall.
Install is very easy. It's DIY friendly.
I would say in about like a 15 to 20 minutes to assemble a section.
It looks the same on both sides. We have a light brown called saddle. We have a dark brown, and then we have sort of a beach gray. You gotta see it. It literally is the best in terms of longevity and aesthetic fence system that you'll come across.
Compared to wood, every homeowner should go with Trex.